Hey guys. All right. So thanks for showing up for the last 3 weeks. It looks like we have maybe another week and a half of this. Hopefully that's it. We will see. But I want to challenge you guys to those who haven't shown up yet for a Google Meet. Show up. Um, I'm live teaching during that time. So if you're someone who doesn't want to watch the videos, I go through the entire lesson with you. There's going to be different opportunities and times for you to show up for your Google Meets if you want to. I miss seeing faces. So please show up, keep your video on, participate, help me to feel like I'm actually teaching you. I mean, I see you guys doing your assignments and Go Formative, but I miss actually teaching. And I will be in my classroom starting tomorrow, so it'll kind of be like you're back home. But please make sure, I'm gonna just want to challenge you to show up this week, and leading into next week. Please, please, please. So I hope to see some of you tomorrow or Thursday. And if the times don't work for you, please reach out and let me know.